and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today we're in Charlevoix, Michigan, just north of Traverse City, Michigan. I'm going to be giving you a full walkthrough of the entire town. Charlevoix, Michigan is located 1 hour north of Traverse City, and I'm going to show you all of the shops and restaurants you can experience when you're visiting. And first, we're going to stop for some brunch at Smoke on the Water. Located in the heart of Charlevoix, Michigan, this is a great option for you to stop and enjoy a nice breakfast. We can't wait to show you everything that we experience. Now come along with us on this episode of Traverse City Guide. Before starting our tour of downtown Charlevoix, we stopped for breakfast at Smoke on the Water, a restaurant just off Bridge Street. There's plenty of street parking, plus a public lot nearby. Smoke on the Water is known for its barbecue, but also serves a great brunch. We didn't have to wait long before we were seated, and we started to browse the menu. The restaurant had a quaint atmosphere with tables set fairly close together. Once it filled up, it did get a bit warm inside. They offered a good variety of options, including a lunch menu with sandwiches and wraps. For our drinks, we had an orange juice, which was a nice size, and we also got hot, delicious coffee. The walls were decorated with historic photos of Charlevoix, which added a nice touch in the dining room. For breakfast, we ordered French toast with drizzled maple syrup on top. It was a hit. The rest of the family got the all-American breakfast, which came with hash browns and toast, but the toast was substituted for croissants, and we also had a generous portion of hash browns and eggs, and the bacon was crispy. We also got the goat cheese omelet, which were 3 eggs stuffed with mushrooms, tomatoes, spinach, and sauteed in garlic and goat cheese. This was a very fluffy omelet, and there was plenty of toppings inside. They also served their homemade jam to the table. For my breakfast, I ordered the corned beef hash with 2 perfectly cooked medium eggs on top. The corned beef was tender, and the portion size was rather large, forcing me not being able to finish it, but boy was it good. The next time you're visiting Charlevoix, Michigan, make sure to stop at Smoke on the Water. They had great food, and we really enjoyed our lunch. Now let's go explore Charlevoix, Michigan. Blue that water is. Charlevoix is a beautiful day trip for anyone visiting up north. It is a great place to enjoy a nice meal. We love coming here because you can get the view of Lake Michigan right out here at the end of this walkway. This is the Charlevoix Harbor. It's very peaceful out here. It is the perfect weather today too. About mid-70s, partly cloudy, and it is not humid. Alright, nice little beach in Charlevoix. There's the Lighthouse. Giant propeller from a ship. And a giant buoy. It's crazy how much of that sits underwater. The walk out to the Charlevoix Lighthouse is relatively easy and a great way to take in the stunning views of Lake Michigan. The path is smooth and well maintained, but there are some stairs involved. It's definitely worth the short walk. Charlevoix's iconic drawbridge opens every 30 minutes to let boats pass through the Pine River Channel. It's amazing to watch, especially when the boat's over 100 feet long. This bridge handles over 15,000 vehicles daily, making it a vital part of Charlevoix's charm. This is the start of our Downtown Charlevoix walkthrough. We have the Bridge Street Tap Room to the left. Beautiful water views. It's really great because you have a lot of shops downtown that are mom and pop. Looks like the Paddle Works. You got the Round Lake Market. Followed by the French Place. Got a bookstore. You have another little store in there. Downtown Charlevoix reminds me a lot of downtown Traverse City for sure. Similar storefronts, very cozy, and of course, very beautiful. On the corner here, we have Arwood Gold. Looks like a nice little coffee shop. And on the corner here, we have more harbor views. They're turning, so I'm going to cross the street. Here's a nice view of where they have some craft shows in the fall. Hey, have you subscribed yet? Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next Traverse City guide. Alright. Continuing our tour here. Across the street we have Fat Face, which is a clothing shop. Another clothing shop, Subway. Got the Lighthouse clothing and gifts. Again, what a beautiful view. Looks like they have some performances over here. All right, we got the clothing company. Fudge, followed by J. Phillips on the left. Got the American Spoon. There's also an American Spoon in downtown Traverse City. Followed by Pita Cruiser. Rex Harbor Grill to the left, followed by Momentum. We have a Momentum shop in downtown Traverse City as well. And on the corner we have Central Drugs. All right, we are now on the corner of Clinton Street. North Seas Galleries on the left, followed by Kilwins. That is another shop we have in Traverse City. You know, Kilwins actually was started in Petoskey, Michigan, which is where we're headed a little later. Then on the left we have Townhouse Bar. We have Pepper's Boutique and Cherry Republic, which we also have in downtown Traverse City. Our tour of downtown Charlevoix, and wrapping up here because this is a very small street, but they have so many jam-packed so many shops in here. It is a great time. Off to the left we have Elements, which looks like a boutique store, some collectibles and art. We have Tasha's Tees, which is a family apparel. And then on the corner, we have looks like Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Alright, we're just wrapping up our tour of downtown Charlevoix. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you find it very informative. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way for the channel. And thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. We enjoy coming up to Charlevoix for a nice getaway, and it is a great time for the entire family. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Justin.